How you doing? Dave Baradinelli here with MarineMax Boston, and today we're going to take you through the brand new 2023 Aviara 40.
Starting here in the aft of the boat, this boat's equipped with the brand new Verado V12 600s. In the back, you do have a great lounge area. These seats will convert, and you've also got the 3 pop-up bench seats here, which is a really cool feature. Coming into the boat, starboard side, you've got dual isotherm refrigerator freezers. On top, you're going to have an optional Kenyon electric grill. You're going to have some storage with insulation for a cooler, and then of course your freshwater sink next to that. So you'll notice all of the seating on the port side, big lounge area. Underneath there, you'll see there's designated storage for life jackets and fenders. Coming forward at the helm, you've got a really wide helm seat. Big Simrad screen, small Simrad screen for your engine management, and port side is going to be all your controls for your lights, bilge pumps, stereo. On the starboard side at the helm, you're going to have your joystick, of course, with your digital throttle controls. Coming down into the cabin, this boat has a really nicely appointed cabin where you could actually go spend a weekend. You'll see forward, you've got your V-berth, big flat screen TV with a sound bar, surround sound, and a third refrigerator below that. As you come down on the starboard side, you're going to have your well-appointed head. It is a wet head. Coming up into the bow, you've got a great walk-through area on the port side. And coming forward, great bow area. You'll notice how deep it is up here.
I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough of the brand new 2023 Aviara 40 here at MarineMax Boston. For more information, please give me a call at 401-569-3874 or visit us at marinemax.com.